Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing, this time from BlackMilk Clothing. I had a little bit too much fun during their sale, so let's have a little look. So one item that I purchased was not in the sale, so we'll look at that one after, but the other ones were. So we've got, ooh, I forgot about this. So I got a gym top for my mom as a late Christmas present. Super cute. I'll take everything out, the bags at the end. I've got some pajama bottoms that are Ouija board. I've got a Ouija board pajama top, and I've got a full pajama dress, followed by the non-sale item, which is the matching duvet set. Okay, so here's the gym top that I got for my mom. Super cute. She's gonna love that. Here is the jammy dress I got. I can't wait to wear this. I actually have the normal dress of this, so I had to have the matching jammies as well, of course. And then here is the top for the Ouija board. Sorry, this is the top. I'm a little disappointed. I didn't realize it was viscose, but that's my fault for not reading the actual description properly. So they're a little bit like, I don't know, I like my jammies a little bit softer. But anyways, hopefully they'll soften up in the wash. But these are the bottoms. They also had long bottoms. And let me get the duvet out to show you guys. So here it is quickly out of the bag. It's in a cute little other bag. Let's pop her out. Ooh. All right. And then, da-da-da, let's hold it up and show you. And here we go. Here's the one side. Super cute. And here is the Ouija board side. Can't wait to put it on my bed.